Hello students, today we are going to study the chapter synthetic fibers and plastics. So in this video we will be including all the synthetic fibers. We will be studying about the synthetic fibers. In the next video we will be studying about the plastics. Okay, so let us understand first of all the flow chart. Okay, so whole chapter if we say as a whole, okay, we can divide it into two: fibers and plastics. Okay. So when we are talking about fibers, fibers are natural and fibers can be synthetic. Okay. Natural fibers, it is existing itself in the environment, in the nature. Okay. And that natural fibers we can obtain, that is the silk, the wool and the cotton. Okay. So here silk and wool, we all know silk is obtained from the silkworms. Okay. Wool from the shapes mainly, cotton from the cotton plants, okay, and it consists of basically what? Cellulose, okay. Synthetic fibers, when we talk about, it is man-made, okay, and it is of four types basically: rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic. When we talk about polyester, it is terephthalate, and PET in small form it is written PET, it is polyethylene tetraphthalate, okay. Now, let us study in detail. Okay. So beta, you put on clothes, okay, and when you touch the cloth, you feel the cloth, you say that of which fiber it is being made. Okay. If it is smooth, okay, shiny, you'll be saying it is silk, or any other you can say from here also. Okay. It can be rayon, it can be terephthalate, okay. So, and by seeing it, by touching it, you can feel it, okay? And you say about that cloth. Number of clothes, when you say that, yes, I want a cloth which is made up of silk, the texture, you'll be feeling it, okay? That yes, it is made up of silk, or whether it is made up of rayon. The natural fiber and the synthetic fiber, by feeling it only, you can say that yes, this is a natural and this is a synthetic fiber. In class 7 also you have studied about this natural and synthetic fibers. Okay, that is the natural fibers, their texture is different. Okay, they cannot burn easily as the synthetic fibers. Okay, so this natural fiber, we are seeing that yes, we get from the silkworms, that is the silk, and from the sheep and all, goats and all, we get wool. Cotton plants, we get cotton, which is made up of cellulose. Okay, so this, when we are seeing natural fibers, are they sufficient? Are they? We are seeing that yes, when we talk about this cotton, we talk about this silk, we talk about this wool. Okay, they are natural fibers. We are getting from the natural environment. Okay, so in this, apart from this, synthetic fibers are being made. These natural fibers are also consisting of small units, okay, and these small units, like if we are talking about this cellulose, small units of glucose, okay, totally combining together to form this water. This small single unit, it will be saying what? Glucose, okay, and his whole chain will be saying what? Cellulose. Okay? So you are seeing this small units joining together, combining together, okay, and arranging together, forming long chains known as cellulose, thereby forming the cotton. Okay, and this is known, this whole joining, the whole small units of glucose together, put together, forming cellulose, is known as what? Polymer. Okay. This is known as polymer. Okay, when we are talking about silk, okay, silk, first of all, who found this silk fiber? That was which country it was? It was China. We have studied already, and it was kept as a secret also for a number of years, and this was too costly in nature. Okay, so there can be different substitutes for that. Okay, for the substitute of these natural fibers, synthetic fibers were made. So synthetic fibers, when we are saying, it is just small units of the chemicals, okay, just like the beads in the necklace, okay, kept together to form long chains, like paper clips also you can say, okay, when they are joined together, they form long chains. These long chains are known as what? Known as polymers. So you can see here the natural fiber forming long chains, here synthetic. The chemicals, with the chemicals, long chains are being formed, thereby the polymers are being formed. Okay. So now, synthetic fibers, silk was already discovered and it was made from the silkworms, the natural fiber, too costly. China was the first country. Okay, it was too costly. So here, the substitute, or we can say that yes, rayon. This is an artificial fiber, a synthetic fiber made by human beings. Okay, and this was made from what? The wood pulp. Wood pulp. Even though this wood pulp, when we are talking about this we get from the nature, but yes, this wood pulp is just created into or made into polymer form, and that is known as the rayon. Small units of these chemicals of this wood pulp kept together, forming a polymer, thereby forming what? Rayon. So this rayon, it has the characteristic features of the silk. It looks like that. Its texture is like that. So it is also known as artificial silk. Okay. As the texture of rayon, it is also smooth. It is also shiny. Okay. And its texture resembles the silk. It is known as artificial silk. Okay. This rayon, clothes are made. Okay. As well as this rayon is also used with the wool to form carpets, to make the carpets. Okay, and this is dyed with different colors and we get it and we use it and we like it, isn't it? Now, when we talk about this silk and when we talk about this rayon, okay, this is natural, this is artificial. There will be a difference, okay, and the best difference or the difference which creates a tremendous difference between this rayon and silk is that rayon is cheap and silk is very, very costly. Okay. Now, coming to the next synthetic fiber, that is nylon. This nylon is totally a synthetic fiber because it is not at all obtained from the nature's, like we have seen wood pulp, we are getting it from the trees, but nylon, it is just made up from what? Coal, water, and air. Okay, this nylon has got a lot of strength. Okay, ropes and all are made up of nylon only. Okay, the parachute. Okay, in that also we will be seeing it is made up of nylon only. If you are climbing the mountains, okay, the rope is made up of nylon only. Why? Because it doesn't break easily. So small units are made by taking coal, water, and air. Okay, and they totally combine together to form a polymer known as what? Nylon, having a strong strength, and it can be used for the things which should be made durable. Okay, it means it doesn't break easily. Now, this polyester, okay, consists of terylene and PET. Okay, this terylene, okay, as well as it also we can say polycot and polywool. Okay, when we are saying polycot consisting of polyester plus cotton, and when we are saying polywool, it is polyester and plus the wool. Okay. So here, this polyester, it doesn't form wrinkles, okay, and it's good, comfortable, durable. And this ester, when I'm saying this totally number of ester molecules, okay, combined together forming polyester. If I talk about ester only as a chemical, it is present in the fruit. It gives it's the ripening smell also. Okay. Now, PET. PET is what? Polyethylene terephthalate. Here, PET, all the things of plastics which we are seeing, the containers of the plastics which are present in the kitchen, with the bottles which you keep water and keep it in fridge, all is made up of this polyethylene terephthalate. Okay. Now, the next synthetic fiber is acrylic. Okay. So acrylic, basically we talk about that natural fiber wool. Okay, we make the sweaters, we make the shawls, everything of this wool. It is well and fine. But yes, this is the substitute, acrylic is the substitute of wool only. Here, synthetic wool is made, from which the sweaters are also made, the blankets are made, the blankets which you see in the market right now, okay, the carpets you are seeing, even the sweaters you are saying, all the things basically, if we talk about, are made up of acrylic only. These acrylic products are cheap in nature, good looking also, shiny also, okay. And so, this is a synthetic fiber which is a substitute of wool. So, when we talk about wool and acrylic, which will catch fire first, this acrylic, totally it will be burned. Okay. Whenever you are putting on synthetic clothes and you have said that yes, don't go in the kitchen. Why? Because if it catches fire, it sticks to the body. Okay. This is a totally demerit of the synthetic fibers. If you are putting on any synthetic cloth made up of rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic, anything, okay, they will burn faster than the natural fibers. Okay. We have the plus points, but we have the negative points also for the synthetic fibers. If we talk about the positive points, yes, it is durable, it is cheap, it can dry fast. Okay. If you take any synthetic fiber, okay, and any natural fiber, suppose if you have taken a natural fiber like cotton and you have taken this synthetic fiber, this rayon, okay, or nylon, dip it in water and see how much water they are absorbing. This cotton will absorb more than these, the synthetic fibers. Okay. And yes, naturally what will happen? They will dry up faster than the natural fibers. Okay. So they are light. They can be dried faster. They don't absorb the water. Okay. They are durable. They are cheap. They are having the lustrous quality. Everything. These are the positive points. But yes, negative points are that yes, we can't put on synthetic clothes during the summer because what happened? You will feel more warmness, isn't it? Because it doesn't absorb the water, it doesn't absorb your sweat. As a result, you will feel hot. Hai? And yes, it catches fire very easily. Actually, what is the reason behind it that yes, the synthetic fiber catches fire very easily? Actually, all these synthetic fibers are made from the petroleum. And they are petroleum products, okay, the chemicals obtained from the petroleum, and as the result they catch fire very easily. So this is all about the fibers, the natural and the synthetic fibers. Next video we will be studying about the plastics. So this is all for today. Good day, take care.